Hello traders everywhere, Jeremy Lutz coming to you from the digital studios of Market Club. And a proposed China deal has boosted the stock market today and afternoon trading, as you can see by this weekly chart here, the S&P 500, which is currently up about 2.8% on the week, making it the 4 straight weeks of gains. And in fact, it's up a little over 1% on the day. Currently trading at 2,670.49 with a chart analysis score plus 70, indicating that overall we're still in a long-term downtrend, but the intermediate and short-term trends are up. But we still have some work to do to trigger that green monthly trade triangle. So I'll give you 2 levels to watch. Your first level to watch is going to be 2,443.96. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a short position for the S&P 500. And that key level to watch for that monthly trade triangle is going to be 2,939.86. A move above that level would give us a green monthly trade triangle, indicating that we're back into a long-term uptrend for the S&P 500. So as you can tell, we still got a little bit of work to do to hit that level. Moving along, look at the US dollar, which got a boost from the China trade talks today. It's up 0.7% on the week, giving it its first weekly gain in about 4 weeks. Currently trading at 96.33 with a chart analysis score plus 75, indicating that we are in a sidelines position for the US dollar. And your key level to watch has come down a little bit. It'd be 96.95. A move above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a long position for the US dollar. Dow Jones, much like the S&P 500, is up about 2.9% on the week and a little over 1% on the day, with a chart analysis score plus 70, indicating that we are in a sidelines position. And much like the S&P 500, I'll give you 2 levels to watch for the Dow. First one is 22,638.41. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a short position for the Dow. And your monthly trade triangle will come in at 26,951.81. That's where we'll get it, and that's got quite a bit of work to do for the Dow, as generally it's kind of lags behind the moves of the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ. Moving along to the NASDAQ, as you can see, up about 2.8% on the week and up a little over 1% on the day as well, with a chart analysis score plus 70. Do we see a theme here? Key level to watch for the NASDAQ will be 6,457.13. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a short position for the NASDAQ. And your monthly trade triangle level to watch would be 8,107.38. A move above that level would issue that green monthly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a long-term uptrend. So all 3 indexes still have a bit of work to do to get back to those levels that we saw last year. Crude oil up right now about 3.8% on the week, and in fact it's up over 2% on the day, giving us its 3rd straight week of increases, with a chart analysis score of plus 70, indicating that overall the long-term trend is still down for crude oil, but the short-term and intermediate term trend are up, with green weekly and green daily trade triangles. Key level to watch would be 51.80. A move below that level would issue a red daily trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position in the short-term time frame for crude oil. And we'll take a look at gold right here, currently trading at 1,282.70, down about 0.4% on the week. That'd be its first loss in 4 weeks, with a chart analysis score plus 75. We'll switch this to a daily chart so you can see we got a new red daily trade triangle today at 1,288, indicating a move to a short-term sidelines position for gold. However, the long-term trend is still up with that monthly green trade triangle. Key level to watch would be 1,295. A move above that level would issue a green daily trade triangle, indicating a move back to a long position for gold. We'll back out of here. Take a look at Bitcoin. Is just being absolutely lethargic, down about 0.3% on the day. We'll change this back to a weekly chart, where we see how we got that red weekly trade triangle this week, and it's down about about 0.5% on the week, just trapped in that range, sitting right above its 200-week moving average. If you key level to watch moving forward, next week will be 4,000 112, a move above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a sidelines position for Bitcoin. With that, every success. Have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you next week.